Welcome everyone. Do you want to see an increase in your employees' task performance? Then join me and engage in work engagement. Our plan is simple yet effective. To improve the employees' task performance, we create an hybrid platform, combining both the online platform and the offline workspace into one. It starts with employees setting their goals into the system. Then, with the help of managerial social support, they can execute those goals, and after the execution or a set period of time, they can reflect on that. At this point, managers and supervisors can give feedback to the employees and of course reward their performances. With this feedback, the employees can adjust their goals or generate new ones and start the loop all over again. You could ask yourself, is this beneficial? Well, first off, we need to create an online platform. Secondly, we need at least one, maybe two full-time employee salaries to cover both an ICT employee and a supervisor to manage the platform. This will take approximately 30 days to employ. Finally, we need about 2 days to train the employees to make use of the platform, and it will take approximately 66 days to create a habit of using the platform and really starting to see an increased performance. All by all, I would say this is a great opportunity and just a small price to pay for both employee and organizational development.